Hello guys, in this tutorial we will see how we can install SSL in our website. I was reading this article and thought for SEO, for a good SEO, SSL is pretty much important because many search engines have said that they will rank the website higher which are trusted, secure and certified. As well as SSL, it helps you to protect users, right? Prevent access from unauthorized access. You can read out this article to know the importance of SSL. I thought I should make a video how we can install SSL on our website. This is a website I am currently working on. You can see this is not secure. Connection is not secure. If you type HTTPS before this, it will say insecure connection because SSL is not installed in this website. Okay, so fewer people knows there is an organization called Let's Encrypt, which is an open certificate authority. It provide you free SSL, so you can make your website more secure. So in this tutorial, we will install the SSL in this website. Okay, so let's start. So there is a website called SSL for free. It makes process of installing SSL on your website pretty much easier. So first I will type my website domain, that is your maybe example.com, or maybe something else. So in my case this is yes, remove that https bulwarkconstruction.design2. So create free SSL certificate. So there's three methods. It says you have to verify that it's your website, it's your domain. So it provides three methods for verification. Automatic FTP, you have to provide FTP detail, manual verification, and these three. So I generally prefer this manual verification. So you can read out this. I've already done. So it says you have to download this file and upload in a directory called wellknown./acme challenge. So let's first download this file and save this. Now create a folder .wellknown and inside that Acme challenge. So go to your control panel and go to your website public HTML folder and create a folder called .wellknown. Now by default file starting with dot is hidden file and it may not shown in your directory. So you can go to your setting here and check this option called show hidden files, save. So here's our directory which I have created, and second folder which I have to create a Acme challenge. Okay, inside this we have to upload this file. Okay, new folder called Acme challenge and so I'm going to upload file which I have downloaded now. Upload, and there's that file, desktop. This is the file which I have downloaded, this file. So it's done. You can see the file is successfully uploaded. So you can check out, you can click on that. Okay, so it display a random character. So you can read out this. If it display random character, this means they have successfully verified this domain that it is yours. So now you can read this. If the file do not show a random alpha unique. So recheck that you have uploaded in the correct place and all. So we have successfully verified that. So download SSL certificate. It takes uh, 5-6 seconds to create a SSL certificate. It provides SSL on behalf of Let's Encrypt. So here's your certificate. So copy this, go to cPanel and search for SSL. There's under security SSL/TLS. Click on that. There's an option called install and manage SSL. Click on this. Now there's an option called install SSL website. Select domain. That is, click on this. Select domain which you have entered in this. Now paste the certificate. It shows issuer, Let's Encrypt, some expiry date, domain which you have entered. Now next is private key control copy. Okay, go to this. Now paste this. Third step. Third is CA bundle. Control all, copy. Now paste this. Just click on install certificate. So it shows that you have successfully updated the SSL website certificate. Yes. So you can check out this. Okay. It shows not secure means SSL is not properly installed in this website. We will see. Where is our website? That's what. Okay. Yes. So it shows HTTPS. Now our website is secure. You can see a green button called secure connection and verified by Let's Encrypt. So this SSL helps this website to rank higher and as well as to protect the user data to unauthorized access. SSL helps to encrypt this. So that's all in this tutorial. Thank you for watching.